Hello and welcome to the Met Office weather for the week ahead. The weather this week is going to be very different to the weather last week. Last week we had high pressure and light winds and problems with mist and fog. This week it's all about low pressure and some strong winds, strong and cold winds too, that will be bringing with them plenty of heavy showers, and the showers won't just be of rain, particularly across the north. Those showers will be of snow, sleet and hail. Now, with all this going on, the risk of snow, ice and some potentially very strong winds midweek, it could turn quite stormy. There are warnings in force. And with the weather changing so dramatically day on day, please do keep up to date with the weather forecast. You can do that through our website or, of course, across social media. Now, I'm going to run through the sequence of the weather through this week because it tells the story quite nicely. It was high pressure last week, in control, low pressure this week. Lots of isobars on the chart, and so it is going to be windy. Blustery showers through Tuesday and Wednesday. And then this little area of low pressure zips across the country on Wednesday night, bringing potentially a spell of stormy weather. Behind it, well, we've still got low pressure nearby. It stays showery for the last day of the working week as well. Let's put some details on them because Tuesday is sunshine and showers. A brighter day for many compared to much of last week. There will be sunshine, but look at the snow showers packing in across Scotland, Northern Ireland, over parts of northern England, especially the hills and mountains of Wales, and even the hills across the south will see some sleet and snow at times. The snow could really build up and cause some problems across parts of the north, and it will feel cold with that wind. 2 to 4 degrees generally, and add on that wind, it will feel closer to freezing. A little bit milder across the south, but even here, plenty of blustery showers. Some decent spells of sunshine across the east, as there will be again on Wednesday. Again, most of the showers in the west still falling as sleet and snow across parts of northern England, but especially Northern Ireland and western Scotland. And again, add on that wind, it will feel cold. Now, the showers will actually start to die down later on Wednesday. And the reason for that is because of what's brewing out in the Atlantic. This is an intensifying area of low pressure. We saw it earlier, zip across the UK. Now, there is some uncertainty about the exact track and the exact intensity of this low. And that makes all the difference to exactly how strong the winds are and where we could potentially see some snow from this system as it hits the cold air. But there is the risk of both of those things happening, some potentially damaging gusts of wind and the risk of some more widespread snow, most likely across northern Britain, whereas the damaging gusts of wind across central and southern areas. There are warnings already in force and will continue to firm up the details as we get closer to Wednesday night. Now, by Thursday, that low-pressure system is moving out into the North Sea, potentially bringing some damaging winds across other parts of northwest Europe. Behind it, we're back to sunshine and showers, with again most of the showers in the west. The winds may ease a little bit. We could reach double figures in the south for a time, but actually it'll feel pretty cold again by the afternoon as those winds continue to bring colder air from the northwest. And we've still got the winds from the northwest, plenty of isobars on the chart as low pressure continues to control things through Friday. So again, it's another day of, yes, some sunshine, but also plenty of showers packing into the west. And still, those showers will have a wintry flavour to them, hail, sleet and snow across some parts of the north. Now, there are signs that the weather may well start to calm down a little bit as we go into the weekend. It looks drier and with lighter winds too, but it will still be on the cold side. We should see a little bit more sunshine, a few showers around. Now, this is a few days off. Obviously, stay tuned to the forecast for the weekend as we get closer to the time, but please keep up to date with the rapidly developing weather situation this week by logging on regularly to our website, downloading our app, or following us on social media.